We've got a few customers and suppliers in Wales and are looking forward to doing a trip to catch up with them later in the year. John is just inside the border though, in Welshpool, and we've come to see him whilst we're visiting Shropshire. He's a recent immigrant, having bought a lovely place with a campsite after moving from Lancashire and the Lake District. He thought he was retiring, but the property needs a lot of refurbishment and maintenance, so that's probably not the word most people would use to describe his working day. Luckily, he's a man of very many skills after a lifetime in construction and technical maintenance, and even a property with 2-foot thick walls doesn't faze him. He recently bought a Recoheat to help heat those walls and fitted it himself.
I was really pleased. I thought we'd have. I thought I might have a few issues with it being a solid flue.
Yeah.
Whether we had the lift.
Yeah.
But I wasn't sure that was a sliding flue.
Yeah. So that made it really. So
it saved a lot of hassle.
Yes.
The actual fitting of the Recoheat was very quick, really. I was like, and then we got on to messing about with the because I haven't used. I've connected the cable from the pump inside the box in that sealed box.
Yeah.
Because it wouldn't be long enough anyway, but I think it was a thicker gauge, so I wanted to put this through that. That's only 5 amp lighting cable. So,
right.
So I wanted to put that through the pipe. Yeah. It's only two bedrooms upstairs, and so the earth generally moves upstairs anyway. So the idea of getting the Recoheat was to increase the convection.
Yeah. So are you getting it going upstairs?
Yeah, we get it upstairs. Leave the doors open, and it just keeps that. It takes that chill off everything.
Yeah.
And it means we're not having the oil central heating on all the time.
Well, that's a massive thing, isn't it?
Well, it is now. It's gone silly.
Yeah. So what difference is it making to your other fuel use?
Well, it's to reduce the reliance on the oil central heating. That will be used as and when, but certainly this enables the fabric of the house to warm up just with the fire, with the wood burner. It keeps the house to the comfortable temp.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it just puts air through the rooms and warms the rooms. Yeah. This is capturing heat that you'd lose anyway. So.
Yeah.
So that's what I liked about it.
Did you get used to the hiss?
We've
only had it a couple of days.
Yeah, we were a couple of days. Yeah, it was very noticeable when we had a big fire that it went louder.
Huh.
And when the TV's on, you tend to. You don't hear it really.
You get used to it, don't you?
Mm. If you were something particularly you wanted silent and that were annoying, you just switch it off at that time.
Yeah.
And if you have it as a background heat anyway, and you're eating, it doesn't matter. You're in there or you're cooking. It doesn't matter the sound in here, does it?